So we're going to talk a little bit about critical thinking today. Our campus selected critical thinking as a topic for continual improvement. We did this for reasons having to do with accreditation so that we can actually process student loan funds and graduate students from an accredited institution. But it's also an opportunity to identify what's most important to us. What do we want to develop in our students? What do we want to have our graduates known for? What do we want employers to expect of the students who are leaving, this institution when they graduate? And so we thought long and hard about this. We asked students a lot. We talked with faculty, staff, community leaders, and employers. The results from all of these came back and converged on critical thinking, which is awesome because it's one of the most generalizable skills you can have. It's one of the main things that we focus on in college. And then when you graduate, that's the one skill that employers want the most, even more important to them than your major. While you're here, you'll have an opportunity to work on your critical thinking. You'll have a chance to take courses that specifically address critical thinking. We link it to 5 outcomes, and those 5 outcomes are common across all the courses that carry the critical thinking designation. Now, if you take 4 of these courses, you can actually graduate with a certificate in critical thinking, which gives you a tangible thing to show your employers or potential graduate programs about your dedication to critical thinking. So that's a nice outcome that you can get from it. Your first step on that path today will be to take the Watson-Glaser Critical Thinking Assessment. You have to actually take it seriously. It's about 45 minutes, but it will give you a sense of your strengths and weaknesses in critical thinking. It'll assess your critical thinking in 3 areas: your ability to recognize assumptions, your ability to evaluate arguments, and your ability to draw conclusions. And so then from that you can identify where you're strong or where you're relatively weak, and then you can focus on developing those skills while you're here. When you're about ready to graduate, you'll get a chance to take that assessment again, and you can see how you've improved. And then if you've taken the 4 critical thinking approved courses along the way, then you have the certificate that you can show your employers. And it's also just something that's an important part of our campus culture. We're all doing it. There's signs all over the place, you'll see. And if you have any questions, by all means, feel free to ask me or anybody else who's working on the program here. Thank you very much.